Evonic fires are excited to introduce their most realistic models ever. Featuring a 4K holographic display, this is a new era for electric. Genesis, the next generation in heating for the home. Available in 3 distinct sizes to suit all living spaces. Select the intensity of your flame, choose from high, medium, or low. Try our new ambient lighting mode and choose a colour to suit your mood. Decorated with a stunning handcrafted Cotswold real wood log set. Control all the features your Genesis fireplace has to offer through the dedicated eSmart Cloud app or user-friendly remote handset. All Genesis models come with a 1500-watt heat output, UHD anti-reflective front glass and conversion panels to allow for 2 or 3-sided installations. Genesis, available now.